lot about the why it's important from a standpoint of the elderly and why it's important to have some of the technology, smart home technology. But why is smart home technology important overall, and what can people expect if they place it inside their homes?
The ability to enhance someone's life
Okay.
is an important aspect of smart home technology. And what do I mean by that? And Tony even mentioned this earlier. It's different for different people.
Mhm.
And yes, we talked about the wellness factor, but what about a family that wants to maintain a visual of pets in the
Mhm.
backyard, or that they want to keep track of a child that might be playing in a room or outside? So giving peace of mind
Mhm.
to individuals is
Yeah.
also part of what smart home technology can do.
Okay.
We work with a number of different companies to bring around the best technology,
Mhm.
secure technology that gives peace of mind to folks within inside of their own home.